Hello, boys and girls. So I have made you a few posters that will be up tomorrow during the benchmark, just to kind of remind you of the things that we've been doing all year, and also to remind you that this is not a stressful test and it's nothing that any of you should be getting worked up over. It's just a test to kind of see where we are and where we're going. So the first poster that's going to be up is this, which is kind of your first page of your planning. And up here, you can see is where you write your who or what are you writing about and your two topics, just like normal. And then here, you're obviously not going to use both of these, but you're going to choose one or the other. You're either going to start with your everyone, some others, and end with your target questions and central idea, or the opposite, start with your target questions and central idea and end with your everyone, some others. So this is just kind of a visual to help you with your planning because it's still so early in the year that I think this visual will really help y'all tomorrow. The next poster that's going to be up is this one. And this is just like what we went over yesterday when you planned your blank pages. You start with your everyone and some others. Remember, we kind of changed it from safe to this so that it would be in the right order. So you've got your everyone, then you've got some people, while others, and then remember you can say however, but, yet, on the other hand, one of your contrasting ones, I, blah, 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 blah. Then here you have your target questions. Now remember, your target questions. This first one, you really are keeping it big and broad. It's like that outside target where you're just restating the prompt. So if you're writing about a special person, you can just say, do you have a special person? If you're writing about a special place, what's your favorite place? If you're writing about what you want to be when you grow up, what do you want to be when you grow up? You're just restating the prompt. And then you kind of zoom in, and when you zoom in, you're giving them a little hint about maybe what it is that you want to be or where you want to go or who your person is. And then by that third one, you're giving them a clue. But remember, those clues need to be tied to your topic 1 and topic 2. You don't want them to be random and off topic. And lastly, these are questions. Don't forget your question marks. And then lastly is your central idea. It's your big idea. You don't want to say, my favorite person is my mom because she's always there for me. She makes me dinner, da da da. My mom is the most important person in my life. It's short and sweet. There's nowhere I'd rather go than Colorado. No reasons, no because. And then here, it's the spine of your whole essay. It's what grounds it. So maybe if you're writing about what you want to be when you grow up. When I grow up, I want to be a firefighter. Short and sweet. Your whole essay is supporting that you want to be a firefighter. Don't tell me in your central idea because you want to save people's lives. That's one of your topics. All right, so this will be up. The next thing is your topic 1. And this is just to kind of guide you on that blank paper. Remember, you write your topic 1 here. Here's your topic sentence. Again, short and sweet. Then here you've got your detail. Remember, our topic sentence is our main idea. Then when we extend that detail, we're going to say moreover. We're giving more information. In addition, furthermore, additionally. And you don't have to use one of these transitions because sometimes it can seem a little too fancy if you're using too many transitions, but you do want to try to use 1 or 2 transitions. Then here we have our example. And then you're going to extend that example by giving an even more specific example. For instance, for example, in fact, as an illustration. And then we've got our clincher, which closes our paragraph. And it's got to all, then when you're done, you go back up here. This is my topic. Do your topic check. Make sure every sentence is about that topic and then move on. If you've got a sentence that is not on topic, that's where you go to your arms and you remove. Is topic 2, which is our dessert topic, and dessert we save the best for last, and you always want to start with one of your dessert transitions. So here I listed 3, and of course I know some of you have some other ones that you like to use. Please don't feel limited or restricted to these. Same thing, give your detail. If you already used moreover, don't use it again. You can just state it. You don't need to use transitions for every sentence because sometimes that doesn't flow. But you might use a different one, or you might just write the sentence. Here again, example. And then here's your extensions, and then your clincher. And then you always want to go back to that planning sheet after you've revised and edited and use that as a checklist. Use your text structure as a checklist in order to check off each of the components of your essay, because it would really be unfortunate if you wrote this beautiful essay but forgot your beginning, your topic 1, your topic 2, and your ending. You should have 4 paragraphs, and that text structure helps you, and it should serve as a checklist. So I hope that this really helped, and I know y'all are all going to do great tomorrow, and all of these posters will be up in Mrs. Holder's room and in our room. All right.